Hey folks, Lori here, and I'm on the road with my trainer, and we've discussed something that actually kind of grosses us out on a regular basis. I don't think people realize just how much we can see through our window into your vehicle as we're driving down the road. One of the grossest things that we see on a regular basis are people that are second knuckle deep in their nose.
Oh, no. Oh, tissue, people. Tissue.
Honestly, people, if you're second knuckle deep up in your nose, the only thing you're going to find is brain matter. What do you really expect to happen? This?
Wow, $10 bill.
Just remember, folks, when you're driving down the road, those windows are see-through. So what you choose to do in your car, of course, is your choice. But unless you want other people to see it, you might want to think twice about it. They don't like these Cheetos. Until next time, I'm Lori, and I'll see you next week.